Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
Okay, I decided to build a fire pit. This is a washing machine, has 4 legs on it, stainless steel. Okay, everybody, what I'm gonna make here is a fire pit. This is a stainless steel drum. I've got some metal that I'm gonna use for legs. I have all this stuff laying around the garage. I did have to go buy a few things here and there, but I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this. Just give you guys some ideas. There's a big hole down here, so later in the video I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that. I'm going to put a grate in here, so it should turn out pretty good. But the idea of this grill is I don't want it on the ground completely. I want it raised up, that way I can move it around the yard, put it in the driveway, whatever I decide to do. So what I've determined is the legs are going to be pretty much, up like this. On the side I'm going to have 4, and I'm going to have it raised off the ground. So the drum itself, 19, yeah, it'll be off the ground about 5 inches. Safety glasses, boys and girls. The bolt is in here. These each 4 legs is going to have this indentation here, and I'm just going to mark it a little bit, and I'll line it up with the hole, because it's kind of hard to line it up and drill. So in other words, I'm just eyeing it. Okay, finally got the legs on here. Anyway, this is going to be my fire pit. Here's my tape measure just to let you guys know. This was, I believe, a LG washer. It's about 21 or about 20.5 inches in diameter. I guess top to bottom, maybe 18, 19 inches. So anyway, the reason I wanted to do this is the stainless steel drum. If you guys are going to do a fire pit, try to find one stainless steel. That way you don't have to worry about rusting. The metal legs I've had here, I believe these are going to rust, the legs. It was stuff I had laying around. So I'm sure these will rust eventually. I don't care. I'm going to put this on some pavers. So even if these rust and it gets the pavers rusty, I don't care. But the tub is not going to rust. That's what's cool. So anyway, the drum is free. The legs were free. The bolts were free. Well, one way or the other. They were laying around the garage. Also, stainless steel water bowl from Walmart. I don't know what size. Anyway, stainless steel. My idea is stick it in the hole like this. Fits in perfect. Now the hole is covered. We got these small holes that's going to help with airflow. And then as I burn wood and the ashes go down in there, I can just let it build up in here. If it rains and fills up, it's going to go out the holes. And also, all I got to do is reach down here, pick this up, you know, push the ashes in, pick this up, throw the ashes away. So that's the idea. Not sure how long that'll last, if it gets hot, whatever. But it was like $3 at Walmart. Also, what I did, because at first I was just going to throw wood in here. But then I'm thinking, well, it would be kind of nice to keep it up. That way it'll burn better. So what I did is I got this grate. The grate, right here, you can buy it online. I actually bought this at Home Depot, $17. It's actually pretty thick. 17 inches across. So what I also did, so it would fit in here, some of the extra legs I had, I just cut it up. But basically this is going to sit at the bottom. This is nice and thick, so when the wood's on here, it's going to stay off the bottom, create that airflow going around. And then when I need to empty it, I'll just lift this up as well. See, I don't have anything special on it. I just safety wired it. Safety wire will probably break off after a while. Who cares? Everything's just going to be down in there. So this just goes down in here. That way. Let's see here. Let's see how. From the bottom, it's like 3 inches. From the bottom to the top of the grate is 3 inches. So, in theory, as the wood's burning, all the big chunks are going to stay up on the grate. All the small ashes will fall on the bottom. It will create the airflow. I'm thinking this is going to work pretty good. The dog bowl, this whole thing is off the ground maybe 5 inches. The dog bowl recesses in about 3 inches. Do your quick math. It's about 2 inches off the ground. Like I said, I'm going to put it on pavers. Home Depot had pavers like $1.50 a piece. I bought 4. So it's pretty much going to be the size of the piece of board underneath. And it should be pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and test this, see what it looks like at night. And we'll go from there. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and subscribe. All the subscriptions and views, you know, help me out. And if you've seen my other videos, I do this for motorcycle parts. I do it for you guys too, okay? But really, for the motorcycle parts. All right. Let me know if you got any questions. We'll see how it goes. Oh, also, on Amazon for $25, there's a grill grate that's 24 inches, I think, which is, I don't know if you can see it, about here. So I'm gonna buy a grill grate that just lays right on top, and if I want to do burgers or whatever, shish kebabs, we'll just cook it right on top. But it's gonna cover the whole area, fill it full of wood, get this fire nice and hot, and throw some food on there. Alright, see you next time. Alright, here's the fire pit. It's a little windy out here, but I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. This thing is working awesome. Got all the holes in there. It was really easy to start compared to our other fire pit. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it actually slows the flames down just a little bit. And what I was hoping for is that it reduces smoke, and surprisingly it does. Of course it's a little windy, so maybe the smoke's blowing away, okay, you know, so that could be it as well. But anyway, for the price I paid for this thing, it's working awesome. You know, 25 bucks. It's not bad. You blow 25 bucks in a case or two of beer. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys, this is after the night of a good burn. Had it roaring pretty good. Just wanted to see if the color changed any. Looks like it changed a little bit. It's still shiny, but you can see, I don't know if you can see in the video, but anyway, you can see color changed a little bit.